welcome back to Seedlings, the beginner's guide to literally everything homegrown. Today we'll be talking about the beets, as you can see. So really fun facts about beetroots is that they actually come in a few colors, so you can create a rainbow out of them. They come striped, purple, white. So these are great if you want to look like a chef. You just chop them up, put them in a bowl, and ta-da! You are the chef of the party. So today we're going to go through how we actually sowed our beets. So currently you are looking at beets that are a little bit more mature, but actually come a bit closer and let me show you the beets that have been in the ground for about a month. So basically what we would need is obviously our beetroot seeds. We will need the area in which we work in. So you'll see that we only plant a line. We don't have a big garden as yet. And we're going to ensure that our soil is nice and loose. So just ensure, obviously, the seeds aren't a little bit dramatic like me, so they're not going to complain. But just try to keep them very nice and loose. So come along and see. So as you can see, the leaves should not be yellow because that would show that it's low in nutrients. Also, it shouldn't have holes, so you can kind of see how that one is borderline, but all the other leaves are really quite nice. Also, something to actually note is that beetroots are a little bit special. So obviously these leaves can be eaten, tossed into a salad, and obviously our beetroot is under the ground, which you can't see right now. It'll take about 7 to 10 weeks until we can start to pull out some of our leaves, but our beetroots. But what you can do is obviously when it gets to about 2 inches is you can kind of slowly, not like pull it out so that you yank the roots, but actually start to pull out a little bit of these leaves to obviously allow germination and thinning, which is very important. It's not that we don't love these leaves, we love them tons, but we need to allow even more growth and to allow that beetroot to grow. Additionally, just note that our beetroot takes 7 to 10 weeks, so then it will be ready. However, that you must also note to keep the soil very nice and moist in between. So they don't need like heavy watering. Like I said, they're not super dramatic. They are really good seeds to plant in winter time like we are right now. But what is so special about these seeds is that one seed actually pops like popcorn. So you'll actually see off one seed that you planted, you could get a few root popping up, and that's quite normal. So just ensure that you've spaced it out, or else you might get some overcrowding. So yeah, if you have any of your own experiences, please let us know in the comment section. But we only share from our experience, and I hope you can jump on in, grab our PDF, download, and grow your own beets. So with anything, like and subscribe. Continue to be beet proud.